Okay, today we're going to talk about setting the project location. So I'm on my home page in Revit 2021. So I'll go ahead and click on New Structural Template, click on OK. Okay, so I have my project open, and to access the project information tab, you need to go to Manage, and we have under the project location tab, under the project location panel, we have various icons right here. So when you hover around the first one, you can see we have the location, specifies the geographic location for the project. We have the coordinates button tab, and we have the position tab. So if I click on the location tab, location command, so I can set my location right here. So I can go ahead and select, let's say if I want to use the default city, I can just click on default city, and I'm being informed that the default city list is best for HVAC sizing. So this will be relevant to the mechanical engineer. So under city, I can go ahead and select Nairobi. So I'm at Nairobi, and I'll click on Nairobi, Kenya. So it will adjust the latitude and the longitude, and I can select use this daylight saving time. So I can choose to go. Okay, I have another option of using the internet mapping service. So I can go ahead and search right here. Let's say Nairobi. I can go ahead and click on search. So it should search for this place, for this address, and I should be able to access the place here. So if I can be more specific, okay, Nairobi, search. Yeah, so you get the point. Okay, so now for the site. Okay, so I just go back to the default city list. Yeah, and take back to Nairobi. Nairobi, Kenya. So just that. Okay, so on the site, you may have more than 2 sites in which the project is located. So you can duplicate, and you can add a new site. So you can just label it as site 1. Let's say it's in one area and it's in a different location. So I can select this one, and it's the current one. So I can select also site 1 and make it current one. And now I can make this one the current. So I can click on OK. So under coordinates, this is mostly used when you have shared coordinates with, let's say, the architect. So when you hover around the coordinates, you are told that it determines the coordinates used in a link project. So when you acquire the coordinates, let's say you are linking an architectural project, an architectural model to a structural model, then you can acquire the coordinates specified by the architect. You can publish your coordinates that you have used, and they can be linked, or they can be acquired, let's say, and they can be acquired and used by, let's say, the mechanical engineer who's linking your structural model. So you can specify the coordinates at a point. You have the option of to report the shared coordinates. So you can see here that it displays shared coordinates of a linked model within a host model. Yeah, so this mostly is used when there are specified coordinates for the project. And when we click here, we see we have the options of relocating the project. We can rotate the true north, we can mirror the project, and if you mirror the project, it will be around a selected axis. We can rotate the project north. So we'll look at the rotating true north option. So currently the project is set to the project north. So if I select the true north, I can be able to actually rotate that true north. So if I click on rotate true north, So I'll say maybe the true north is at an angle from the usual north. It's, let's say it's at a 60 degrees angle. So I'll type in 60 degrees, click on OK. So now we can see that my north is at 60 degrees from the north bearing. So that will be the true north. And if I click on the project north, it should take me back to the normal north. Yeah, so that's how you set your true north. And if we go ahead and click on the location, we can see that under site we can see that the angle is 60. So that's the angle from project north to the true north. So that's how you adjust your orientation of the model. And you can switch between the true north and the project north and see how your building is looks at that particular site and how it's interacting with other buildings. Okay, so that's it for today on setting the project location, and thanks for watching.